Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this case of Johnny Lightning's. I just received it last week and I want to share it with you. I already pre-opened the box. It's from 2019, the release, Muscle Cars USA, release 3. And as you can see, there's the case code, 6 pieces. I already took a peek inside the box. And well, maybe there is a surprise in the box. As you know, Johnny Lightning has white lightnings. So we'll see. There you can see the inside. Just opened it last week and had a quick look. Let's take the first one out. This is the packaging. Muscle Cars USA. Not too many made of them, one of 3004. And this is a Chevy Corvette from 1958. Convertible, and the color is charcoal metallic. Version A, release 3. I think this is the first convertible one I've got from this Chevy. Let's have a look at the back. There's the code, more info, other series, those two I already had a review on, both, and there are the, I'm not sure, there are the cars that are in this package. So this is the first one. Next one. That's a very nice one. That's 1970 Plymouth Superbird. And I think the owner is Frank and Sandy, what does it say, Finkenbinder from Looney Tunes? I don't have a clue. As you can see, release 3, version A, and this one is Limelight Poly. Some info, also 3004 of this piece. Great rims on this one. Like the color. Also the logo on the wing, very nice. I do have a blue version of this one also from Johnny Lightning. And also some other versions. It's a nice model to collect. There's the packaging, the number, there you have something about white lightnings. That's a nice one. But this is a very, very nice one. Probably take this one out of the package. Next one. This is one I do like very much. This AMC Gremlin. It's like the Pacer. AMC Gremlin X from 1971. I do like the styling and the color with the trim. It's very nice. Wild Plum Poly. There's some info. Also 3004 pieces. There's the picture. Yes, this is a nice classic car. And at that time, nobody liked him. The Pacer not, and also this one not. Was not a very popular car, I think. But I do like this one very much. Also nice rims on this one. Great classic car now. Next one. This is the Oldsmobile Cutlass W31 from 1970. I do have a few of these already in quite a few colors. I think 3 or 4, but I do like these colors very much. It's a great combination of colors. This is Sebring yellow. There you have the front of the car. Rubber tires, of course, with all of them. And the metal base. There you have the packaging. Nice back on this one. Great color. Okay, next one. And that is a White Lightning. A chase, as you call it. So that will be 2% of 3004. So that would be 60 pieces, around 60 pieces. That's not much. Normally this is cardinal red, this version. But as you can see, it's pearl white with gold rims. There is the back side. Top, red interior. Front. Also a white base, as you can see. That's also different with a White Lightning. Sometimes the interior is also white, but in this case it's red. It's a nice chase, 60 pieces. That's not many. That's the normal version. Okay, the last one. And that's also a very nice car. It's not my color, but I do like the car. It's a Mercury Cyclone spoiler from 1970. And the color is competition green. I do like green, but this green is not really my color. But this car is very nice. Like the front, the grille. Great muscle car, this one. Nice rims also. Well, there you have the spoiler on the back. Tail lights. There's the packaging. So that's that's my review. Thank you for watching, and see you at my next video. Bye.